Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
Last time we got together, you were talking about a lawyer should be asking you when you start the divorce proceedings for all the information he's going to need through the entire process. Now, what kind of information is that?
Yeah, I think it's we have to always check ourselves and remember when you're dealing with the general public, you're dealing with lay people. They haven't been through the divorce process before, and they have no legal training experience and no real frame of reference. So when I say that, so divorce cases are comprised of grounds, a basis for actually dissolving the marital relationship. It's child custody and visitation, child support, attorney's fees, equitable distribution. Those are the issues, okay? So on each and every one of those fronts, your attorney should be asking you for the particulars about your case. So they should be asking you for information regarding child custody and visitation, which can be, school schedule, work schedule, who takes care of the kids, what sort of time do they spend with them, backgrounds of each of the parents, if there's any mental health or substance abuse issues outstanding. Insofar as the equitable distribution, which is division of assets, they should be asking for, what are the assets? What are the, they'll ask you to fill out a net worth statement, presumably. So what are the assets? What are the liabilities? Meaning you may own a house. It may also have a home equity line of credit on it. It may have a mortgage. You may own a car. You may have a car loan. So those sorts of things. And then insofar as child support is concerned, you'll be asking for any special needs of the children. What are the incomes of the parties? What are the household expenses? So again, it's a comprehensive picture of virtually every issue your client should be asking. Your attorney should be asking you for that information right up front. They should know they need it right up front. And this brings up a good point. I think this is something I really need to come up with a list for clients, and I'm going to work on that. I've already been thinking about it a little bit. Not for clients and for listeners, just to let you know, if you're in the divorce process, what should you be looking for in terms of milestones, in terms of progress, to know that your case is taking the appropriate amount of time considering its specifics and complexities.
That will be coming soon.
Yeah, I have to clean that up a little bit, and I think the listeners would definitely benefit from that.
I think so. In the meantime, for more about Dennis and his firm, visit that website.
drvetranolaw.com. And listen, there's a lot of valuable information up there, so definitely check those out. We've added a lot of videos, too, to make it a little bit easier to digest.
Dennis, good to see you.
Good to see you, Joe.